question, define a gametogenesis and a parturition. Fifth question, what are seminiferous tubule? Sixth question, what is spermatogenesis and oogenesis? Seventh question, name the cell that provides a nutrition to the male germ cells. Eighth question, name the finger-shaped projections of a fallopian tube near the ovary. Ninth question, what is parturition? 10th question, name the pouch in which testes are present. 11th question, mention the significance of scrotum. 12th question, what are spermatogonia, spermiogenesis, spermiation? 13th question, name the cell that secretes a androgen or a testosterone. 14th question, name the layer of uterus that undergoes a cyclic or shedding during menstrual cycle. 15th question, name the hormone that stimulates spermatogenesis. 16th question, mention the function of LH and FSH. LH means luteinizing hormone and FSH means follicular stimulating hormone. 17th question, mention the functions of acrosome, corpus luteum, fimbriae, endometrium, scrotum, sperm and ovary. 18th question, what is corpus luteum? What is meant by menopause? What is menarche? Fetal ejection reflex means what? Morula, placenta, colostrum, Nebenkein, gametogenesis. These all definitions are important. 19th question, name the hormone that is essential for a maintenance of the endometrium. 20th question, in which part of the fallopian tube does a fertilization occur? 21st question, name the outer layer of a cell in a blastocyst. 22nd question, where does the implantation of a blastocyst occur? 23rd, what is oxytocin necessary for a parturition? 24th question, ovulation takes place on the 14th day of menstrual cycle. Why? 25th question, name the layer of the uterus that exhibits a strong contraction during a parturition. 27th, name the endocrine part of the testes. 28th, name the membrane around a fertilization egg which prevent a polyspermy. 29th question, which hormone is called a pregnancy hormone? 13th question, name the finger-like projection that appear on the trophoblast after the implantation. These all questions are important from 2026 annual exam. They will ask these questions in 1 marks or 2 marks or 3 marks and 5 marks questions. There are totals in these 17 questions. They are most important questions. First question is give the difference between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. These questions they will ask 3 marks or 5 marks. Second question, mention the significance of fertilization. Third, draw a label diagram of a section view of ovary. Fourth question, write the diagrammatic enlarged section view of a seminiferous tubule showing a spermatogenesis. Fifth question, draw a neat label diagram. Take sectional view of mammary gland. Sixth question, list the major features of embryonic development in various months of pregnancy. Seventh question, draw a neat label diagram of woman's sperm. Eighth question, what is spermatogenesis? Explain the process of spermatogenesis. Ninth question, list out few hormones which are secreted by placenta. 10th question, with a diagrammatic view of male reproductive system. 11th question, draw a neat label diagrammatic sectional view of female reproductive system. 12th question, explain the spermatogenesis with the help of schematic representation. 13th question, explain the process of oogenesis with the help of schematic representation. 14th question, describe the structure of woman's sperm. 15th question, what is menstrual cycle? Explain the phases of menstrual cycle. 16th question, draw a neat label diagram of sectional view of seminiferous tubule. And B, explain the mechanism of parturition with the help of fetal ejection reflex. And the 17th question, Describe the role of hormones in the female reproductive system. In annual exam, 5 marks questions is a splitted into first A is a 3 marks question and B is a 2 marks question, or 3 marks question is splitted into 2 marks question and 1 marks question. These all questions are important. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಯಿತು, ಓದೋಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್, ಓವರಿ, MC cycle, oogenesis, spermatogenesis, at least you 6 questionnaire ಓದರಿ. First sperm explanation with the diagram, ovary, menstrual cycle, oogenesis, spermatogenesis, seminiferous tubule. These 6 are very important. ಈ 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.